Welcome back to a new video. So today I wanted to just do a really short video, and because I'm making a giveaway today. I'm going to be giving away this slime, but this is just a sample. But I'll be giving away this slime, but in each color, so blue, so red, orange, yellow, light green, dark green, light blue, dark blue, purple, anything, like any color. Just comment down below that you want it, and also comment down below the color, and I'll answer you, and I'll answer you what to do next to get the slime. It has a really good texture, and it is a no glue slime, but it is in my last video, if you watched it, I said that the soap and the salt one was the best, but this is honestly the best. And I'm gonna make a video of me making your giveaway slimes, and I'm also going to make a rainbow slime with this no glue slime, and I'm also going to be making a glue slime, and also there'll be a giveaway. I'll be giving away a big gallon of golden slime for one lucky winner. So also I want to shout out to Martha Tube, because she is going to give me a shout out tomorrow. Just go and subscribe to her. She does amazing videos. So yeah, like, subscribe, share, and comment down below if you want a shout out and a giveaway. Bye!